Okay.
All right, lovely. So this is Jason,
Hi there. I'm a huge catfish fan.
Kim, and Avina. They're trying my vegan fried
Nice and
catfish
saucy.
nuggets with a homemade ranch sauce.
Wow. Oh, you made that ranch yourself?
I did.
Okay.
Kim,
Hold on.
delicious. Avina, this is not fish because I can't eat fish anymore.
It's not even fish.
It's not. No, it's banana blossoms. It's vegan. Yeah, this is it, you guys. That's
Oh my
fresh
God.
deal.
I thought I was eating fish.
No, it's banana blossoms.
I think that says it all. Texture's on.
Thank you.
Super chewy, delicious. The ranch is fantastic. I can't believe that's not fish.
Sorry, we're just gonna have to.
Banana blossom.
Banana blossoms, yeah. Kim, are you speechless?
I'm enjoying.
Make sure you guys say something for Carlaya too. But I made it for the crew. I just want to say thank you so
You are
much
so
for
sweet.
having
Thank
me.
you for being here for us
Absolutely.
Let's try.
Okay, thank you. Kim said, man, she's
Another one.
absolutely. And there's some more ranch right there. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. First of all, Carlaya, let's say hi. Wait.
It's Carlaya, the Queen of Flow. It's our spring membership drive, and we have the pleasure of being here with Nikki. And I am so excited for her vegetarian treat that she so graciously blessed us with, and I'm hungry.
Good.
So, thank you so much. Call in and support our membership drive at 702-895-1234.
Love it. All right, lovely. I gotta get your reaction. All right, lovely. So I'm back in the studio with Carlaya. She's trying on my vegan fried catfish nuggets.
Vegan fried catfish
Nuggets
nuggets.
with a homemade ranch sauce. Avina seems to be
That was
a
fire.
fan of that.
Really, you are?
Yeah, it was really good.
You got some hot sauce?
You know what? I was gonna get it, but I know we was used to it, and I was gonna bring it. But I said, let's just get some ranch sauce. She don't want people to see her. That's okay. She don't want people to see it. Oops. Sorry. Thanks, Avina. Okay. Oh, get girl. Okay, I should have got the paper towel. There's a tissue. Now. Okay. Now you want to show your reaction?
Wow.
Is that a real reaction?
It is.
Okay.
It's a real reaction.
Okay. Are you surprised?
I am surprised.
Okay.
Wow. How good. I like the lemon flavor. I feel like it has some kind of citrus.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's fresh deal. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So
This is not actually fish?
It's not. It's banana blossoms.
Oh my God. How do you get this to taste like fish?
I gotta work the magic of Nicky Savory meats.
Oh, this is so right on time.
It's it's fresh. It's Fresh Friday, so
I
we
need
get
some
fresh
hot sauce.
You know what? I knew it was gonna be warm. They said, "Where's the hot sauce?" And I was like, you know what? Let me just elevate and do some vegan ranch sauce.
I need something spicy like us, you know?
Yeah, we're a little spicy.
Real spicy.
So silly.
You guys are so
All right. Look. Okay. You know it's real when they start dancing. All right, y'all. Let me set up.